Guys, Auntie Donna, what make you do it? Let me take off my testicles them there. Cause they're not happen right now. Auntie Donna, why you do it? Papa Jesus. You nearly make me wet my pants today. Honestly to God. Let me tell you, today me dead I know. As my daughter say, Mommy I clean about 3 weeks now and she can't done. I have a look at storeroom and me there. I try organize everything for going at the storeroom. So me I fix up and I try neat up because me is just a neat freak. Me can't help myself. And little by little because me busy me have a million and one things I do. So I have to do me thing little by little. My sister-in-law call me and say that I'm in the frame of mind for work, you know. Uno ever there woman in the frame of mind for tear down the house and renovate. That was my intention. So when she called me, my sister-in-law called me. She said, Donna, what make Auntie Donna cuss you? What you do? I said, what you talk about? Go on Auntie Donna live. She a cuss you. She have your book in her hand. She have your book in her hand. And she a cuss you. That book here. She have your book. My book. This is my book. And when she say, me come off, me say, all right, me check. Why she wouldn't cuss me? She say, you send voice note, a class or something like that. I go over there and me start laugh, cause me know say me no send no voice note. So me start laugh, but when me go over there and me see Auntie Donna with the book in her hand, I say, you send your book, come here. Like she would have say, she send her book, come here, and then she turn on and class me. And all she did I say it is like in my guts, me I say, what voice note? And that me I say, Auntie Donna not have no contact for me. But this is a lie. This not make no sense. And me start to get nervous now because me I say, somebody could have so wicked. Like why would somebody all of that I go through my head. And me I tell her say no, Auntie Donna was upset. And then now me see the part where she say, me come off and go back on it. Cause me call back my sister and I say, but it no make no sense, you know? This me no send no voice note to nobody like me no know, like me no have no nothing bad in me for Auntie Donna. And me start to feel like me I poop my pants. And I say, what me get myself in a trouble with what? Like me wouldn't mind like me could have reached out to Auntie Donna and ask her who send her voice note, say me say, because me never send any voice note to nobody. And all of that I go through my head and it's like me start me not telling a lie. Me feel very uncomfortable. Maybe if you did check my blood pressure, it would have been 110 because one thing with me, you know, me I support you. Me is a supporter. And me not just really like for judge somebody. So, me is a supporter of Dana. Me listen to her video, me watch her, me do everything. But when me eat, that's what me respect her. Me just have a different level of respect because she do so much for people. And me always say, nobody not perfect, me not perfect. Nobody not perfect. So even if she have flaws, everyone we have flaws. This is how me always look on life. And me not quick for judge people. So even if me see come across something negative about her, I always just click off because me don't want to hear it. You understand? Me just don't want to hear it. So if you ask me what the bad things you hear about her, me don't know because me not listen. So when me see it, it just really breaks my heart because me know so me never trouble her. And this goes to say people must listen and pay attention. Anyways, me going to the comment section and me write, Auntie, if me say Auntie, me write, well, me don't remember exactly what me write, but me would have, me write, me delete it now, but me never have to delete it because me never like say something. Me say, Auntie, if somebody said something, don't like me would have said, don't believe it, because that will never happen. That's how me write in the caption. that will never, if somebody said I said something, don't believe it, because that will never happen. Them time that that she upset, So anyways, me feel away. I say, God, make she end the life. Make she end the life. And that me I say, make she end the life so me can go back, go hear where the conversation start, and who she said, like what voice note she was talking about. Somebody sent her voice note in a Walmart, and them say some very awful things about her. So when me hear say them in a Walmart and them say some awful things about her, me say no, that are not me. Me not, and not just that are not me, but me is not the kind of person for send rude voice note to somebody. If me feel certain way about her in a anywhere she ever says something when me not like her, if about me, but I prefer reach out to her. So if me did go back and me listen to the message, that's why people not for quick for jump the gun, People not for quick for judge people. People not for quick for jump the gun and accuse people, because maybe if I did somebody, them would have jump in at the comment section and maybe try disrespect her or them something there without get the full knowledge and the full understanding of what she was saying. But when me tell you, say me nearly wet my pants, me nearly wet it up. Me not telling her because what make me I say why she woulda, when me woulda do who woulda send voice note, and me know say me know. Me not have one bad bone in me for auntie. So anyways, me just did it and me say, me have to wait till the live done so me can go back or press the replay button, and then me just push it right down in the middle where me know say she did the attack, and go back and go listen from right there. So and I saw me catch on. The first thing she say, the first thing me see is that Paulette, I walk past her with the book, and she say, like should I say, where you go with the book? Give me that book there. Give me that book there. And she get the book, and then she say, my book is Donna I book is on Amazon. I wasn't okay. Yeah, it wasn't okay. She said she make a mistake right there. So she said it wasn't okay, and gonna go and support her. Me I said, Jesus have mercy. My high blood pressure gone sky high for no reason. I mean, but me glad because me know some never do nothing. But at the same time, it wasn't about me. And me I said, Jesus, please. Social media would have been so, people would have been so vindictive, and people would have been so cruel. For you could like make up a voice note and tell auntie say, and me, and all kind of things I go through my head, during the time when auntie dey on the live and me couldn't wait for she done. Me come off and then me go back on it. Cause me want to hear, me say everything come out of my head with the cleaning. Me couldn't even function for clean. Cause me know say, me not trouble. Me uno trouble her, me not trouble nobody. It's just a misunderstanding. Guys, let me tell you, sometimes me love Auntie Donna. Me love her. And it no matter what, like me willing, even if it was me willing to reach out to her quietly and ask her, who tell her where she get those things, because that is not me. Me would have never like go on social media and like cuss her again. No, cause that is just not me. Some would have really would have want to reach. The goal was like make me need to go look for her number where she have on her page, and cause me have her number saved on her page, her business number. And me say me have to go. And that me I said to myself, go text her, ask her. But me say make me go rewatch the live. So me couldn't wait for she done the live, so I could have rewatch it. But guys, let me tell you something. Me no trouble people, Me's not a troublemaker. I never was a troublemaker. Was always a quiet and cry person growing up as a child. Me used to just always, as somebody pick on me used to just cry. Now me kind of get more tough. Me not cry no more. But me I tell her say it breaks my heart today. It make my blood pressure go high, and it make me so sad. And I feel like me would have cry, cause me I say me no know who would have been so cruel to do something like that, and why them would have do it. All kind of things that go through my head in that moment, the last time where she depend the life. Me say, Auntie, when we go back, I will go watch. Me say, Auntie, what make you do it? Eh? What make you set my blood pressure go sky high? And then at one point, me say, Auntie, depend with that same book here, what make you do it? Are you make me like should I say, are you make me start this today, Like, me not quite remember exactly what she said, but she behave yourself. What make you do it? Behave yourself. And when me see she a clap the book and me say, all of that too, cause when they come off of the live and when me go back on it and me see she depend, behave yourself. What make you do it, hey? She a clap the book and she a said, me said, Lord Jesus. I forgot to reach out to Auntie, but I was so like wanted to rewatch the live. That's why people must so rush to do things. People must pay attention and don't rush to jump the gun, because by just seeing her with the book and she was talking about somebody else that bring a book to her, like, and they were like said they were discriminating her and so forth. But we never get the full story of what she was saying. We just hear a little piece because we get the call from my sister and everything just turned upside down. But anyways, Auntie Donna, me know you're not gonna listen to this video, but maybe one of your supporters who is close to you um might see this video. But just want to say thank you so much for reading my book. Big up your damn self. Thank you. I appreciate your support. You're reading the book. The other day I was watching your video and I saw your book in the kitchen where you're baking your cake. I was on your live and saw the book in your kitchen. I just want to give you a shout out and tell you I appreciate everything where you do. You're reading the main fact that you sit there and you read this book. Me hear you say it today, so you read it at night time. You never have to do it and you give it a couple shout out. Well, I just want to, show my gratitude. I truly, truly appreciate it. I have never spoke to you on the phone and I visit you twice in Jamaica. And you don't know me, you don't really know me because you met so many people, so you don't know me. But me just want to big you up. I'm going to thank you very much. And this heart I have nothing but love for you, because the things that what you do is things that this girl, have the heart of helping people. Always have the heart of helping people. Me is a kind, we have my last and take it and give it. I saw me stay. Me give away my mortgage already. Me I tell you, lend it out, split it up, send money here, and God still turn on by the time I'm ready to pay my mortgage and find the money in my hand. Because when you give, you receive. I'm strongly believe in that. You're pure. You have nothing but good inside of you. And a lot of people, might not see it that way, but me see. Me see where me enough to make me feel comfortable. Communicating with you. Big up yourself and me appreciate it. Enough love, respect, and manners. Even though you make me my blood pressure go sky high today. Me not telling lie for a good 20 minutes. I was very uncomfortable. Me laugh at first because me know say me not discuss her. But me I tell you, before the live done, me I tell you, I was very uncomfortable because I couldn't wait for it done just to come to hear what me do after me get the phone call. Is the phone call, I don't even know what I go on because I was so busy cleaning. But enough love, Auntie. Big up on yourself, and the Planka Nation, and a big up on yourself. I appreciate all I want to do, stand by her, support her. It just teamwork make the dream work. And when you find somebody that is so loyal and respectful, you must give what due to Caesar to Caesar. She never have to do what she do. She grow her platform, she build it, and she help people. Even out of her own pocket, she help people. Me did a one Christmas, I watch her and see she take out money. I think somebody will come buy cereal or one cake money. I think it was $100,000 in a line, and give to that person, if we go plant cereal again and again. He can invest it in a farm. This lady have done so much. Like there's nothing. Like you have to remember the good what people do and don't use the bad to cover the good. Like, all of us have flaws and all of us, not perfect. So, anyways, enough is enough. Bye. Pick up yourself, Auntie.